Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can connect AirPods to any Android phone. So, AirPods are primarily designed for Apple devices, but there's a way to connect them to your Android phone. And here is a simple guide. So first, you need to ensure that the AirPods are charged and make sure your AirPods are fully charged or have enough battery. And after that, you can enter the pairing mode by placing your AirPods in the charging case and open the case and press and hold the setup button on the back until the status light flashes white. Now you can connect it into your Android phone. You can go to the Android phone settings, click on settings, and then find Bluetooth. Okay, and after that, here you can just enable the Bluetooth options. Now if you cannot see the devices option in here, you can just scan it. You can just see that this is still refreshing, and when you see the AirPods, you can just tap on it and connect it. So that's pretty much all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.